If you look at their sales,
Yeah,
looks
yeah, they're
decent.
growing good.
Doesn't
Yeah,
look horrible.
yeah.
All right, there's big growth there. Um, it also seems like possibly the merger helped them grow a lot. Like the company that they paid $15 billion for, you can't say that it was worth it, but you
Yeah.
know, it did help them start growing revenue a little bit more.
And they just, it
And
seems like they also acquired Catapult Health, a provider of virtual preventive care service, 65 million in cash. So, I mean, the fact that they're making
actually,
acquisitions.
yeah, no, for sure. I mean, that's the other thing about these types of companies is like, if their stock
Yeah,
falls
yeah.
massively, then, for instance, like if this company was worth 50 billion during its peak, and they managed to get to amass like from going public and from selling shares or whatever, they managed to amass like 5 billion in cash, let's say.
Hmm.
5 billion in cash to a $50 billion market cap doesn't seem great, but then if the stock falls 95% and now it's trading at 2.5 billion, they might have 2x their market cap in cash because obviously the
Mm.
cash doesn't go away, you know, when the stock goes down.
Yeah, I mean,
And
they
so
do have a
there's a
lot of
lot of
cash.
interesting things that could
Look at
happen here. How
that.
much cash?
I mean, it's
Yeah,
kind of what you're
almost.
saying. Yeah, they have like 1.5 in well, in current assets, so 1.1 billion in cash. Like, and they're at
Yeah,
2.5 billion. They're like trading only at 2 times cash.
yeah,
Yeah, half of the valuation is
40%
just
cash.
cash. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yeah. No, I didn't think of
So
that.
if you go digging for this kind of stuff,
Mm.
you will find interesting things,
Yeah, I think that also goes in line with the fact that because we're in such a volatile market, like it kind of is like the other side of the coin of what we were talking in the previous episode, which is the idea that because there's all these people trend chasing, it's like if you go with the trend, it's a terrible thing because you have these really high valuations, even for technology that is really good.